This is LG display with no picture fault. This panel has 4 source coff and 2 gate coffs, as you can see. For this fault we need to check panel voltages. First voltage need to check 3.3 volt, it is okay. Second voltage we will have to check 16 volt AVDD supply, it is okay. After 16 volt pump circuit will work. As you can see 26 volt VGH is present here. VGL minus 7 volt is also present. This panel has 2 gate coffs, so now we need to check gate coff voltages. Now we need to check DVDD 3.3 volt, VCOM 7 volt, V off minus 7 volt, V on 27 volt, STVD 50 Hz signal, OE1 and CPV are 42 kHz signal. 6 tracks going inside panel and going to gate coff where high value. I had placed jumper in between source PCB, test point and gate coff. Now you can see the panel is working okay.